Hi besties, welcome to my channel. So we're gonna go ahead and we are going to jump right into the video. The first thing that you see me doing is I am cleansing the skin. I am taking my Beridan lavender pre-wax solution and I am just cleaning the skin off. After that, you are going to see me take some cornstarch and apply that to the skin as well. All right, and then the wax that we're going to be using today is our Pretty Girls Get Wax. This is the wax in black. So what I'm doing right here is I'm just showing you guys, what it looks like when I peel off the wax. I tried to zoom it in to where you guys are able to see those little hairs. It is so satisfying, but I wasn't able to get it in focus, so we'll try to work on that the next time. So what you're seeing right here, besties, is you're seeing me just try to check to see if I have any hairs left. Sometimes it gets really hard for, me to be able to do this on myself. I have good days, I have bad days, but yeah, I was just checking to see if there were any more hairs left. And then besties, what we're doing right here is we're going to take some cornstarch. We're just going to apply that to the skin so that the wax will have something to stick to and not to our skin. And then whenever you're waxing yourself, besties, just be sure that you try to pull your skin, or I'm sorry, hold your skin as taut as you can. It just helps the process, sometimes, like I said, it just gets hard to do this on yourself because you have two hands and you're doing this on yourself, so it's just hard to do sometimes. But yeah, just be sure that you're holding that skin really tight if you can. So once after we have gotten all the hair off, besties, what we're going to do is, this is just some witch hazel. So I'm just taking that on a cotton round, and I am just going to clean my skin just to make sure that, there's no additional residue from the cornstarch left, and just to make sure that all of that wax has been removed. All right, Betsy, so let's move to the other side. We're going to repeat the process. So we're going to cleanse the skin. We're going to apply our cornstarch. And then we're going to apply our wax. This is on the left side, my left side, your right side. And besties, I tried to get as much footage as I could. Right here, we're just going to be applying the wax in the direction that the hair grows. I did try to put in some clips where I was actually, after I was done, where I was removing some hair that was still left over. But, besties, it did not look right. It just was not in focus. My hand was in the way. So I'm going to work on that. And the next time that we do this, I will try to put that footage in, because I know a lot of people find that satisfying when they're seeing the ingrown hairs be pulled. Just seeing some of the hairs come out with tweezers and things like that. So the next time that we do this, I will try to get that footage for you guys. All right, bestie. So I'm going to end talking right here. At the end of the process, you'll just see me taking some witch hazel on another cotton round to finish the cleanup. Just to make sure that there's no additional residue from the cornstarch left, as well as make sure that there is no pieces of wax remaining. And I will see you guys in the next video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and comment down below on what you guys would like to see from me next. Now, I'm trying to upload a video at least twice a week. If not, then it'll be once a week. But yeah, just let me know what you guys would like to see from me next. Thanks for watching. Bye.